Okay, next block on this is progressions on the natural point of aim and fixing it. What if your natural point of aim is not good? Okay, how do we fix it? Okay, first off, let's talk about progressions, because the progressions can illuminate a natural point of aim deficiency. That's where you're just missing. You're not hitting within that, that first shot, right? We're not making that first objective a grip. We're just boom, clicking it off. Just doing a quick draw. Quick draw, boom. All right. So the first progression is just move further away from the target. And this is beautiful because we want to build our natural point of aim, our index shooting, our point shooting ability, and that's one measure of improving that is being further and further away, so we do not have to reference the sights as much. Okay, so that's a big deal. But now the next question is like, okay, so now we move people back to 7 yards, 8 yards, and they're starting to miss. How do we fix that? What do we do? Okay. Well, first thing is do not fix a natural point of aim issue at the wrist level. Okay, so as you can see here, like you don't want to, if you're shooting to the left, don't do this stuff. What should happen is the way we form our grip, and it may require reforming the grip, all right? But when you reform that grip and you punch out naturally without trying to adopt your wrist to the sights, there should be that natural two-armed turret, that upper isosceles triangle, that when you punch out to your eye level, the sights are automatically aligned. Hence, the muzzle's already aligned. Okay. I'm going to exaggerate this, but let's say I punch out and it looks like this. Okay. Obviously, a gross exaggeration. At this point, what you want to do if you have like some issue, like you punch out and you don't have sight alignment, all right, meaning the muzzle's not aligned where you're looking at, okay, then you want to make a substantive change at the whole reposition, all right? So the best way to do this is to I'll exaggerate a little bit again, punch out, and then from here, they kind of loosen up, adjust over, okay, and get it dialed in so it feels very natural, and you'll feel it. You'll feel the curvature right here with respect to the base of your palm of your support hand. And then do a few, again, go back to the step, do a few reps like this until your natural point of aim is dialed in. Now you're using a sighter, you can break the shot to see if you're on target to make sure that, but once that's adjusted, then you really go back, right, do that same kind of process of establishing that first contact point, because that might change a little bit, all right, and then doing reps to make sure your natural point of aim is dialed in, okay? That's a first block on that.